Hello you guys. So today I'm going to show you this Lush exclusive gift set, and in this gift set there are a couple of products that are only sold in Lush Japan concept store, and they're only sold there and in this particular gift set online at Lush UK. So I bought this gift set, and the outside is wrapped with this cloth knot wrap that's so cute. It has a flower, butterfly, mushroom, ladybug motif for spring, and you can use this to wrap other gifts in the future, to reuse it, or you can use it in your hair as a scarf or a knot wrap. So now I'm going to unpackage this and show you what's inside. The first thing is a bath bomb, and this is called Rose Butterfly, and it's got some glitter on there if you can see it. And this makes some of the prettiest bath art in the tub. And it's got a lovely rose fragrance. And it's got a crack in it where the wing fell off there. Next is this bath bomb, and it's got petals that are made with soap. It's called Floating Flower, and it smells absolutely divine. It's nice and strong. It smells like a spring breeze amongst the flowers. It's light and airy and floral, and kind of yummy too with vanilla or something like that. Gorgeous. Next is this solid bubble bar called Magic Mushroom, and it's made with the vanilla scent on the white part, the stem, and a strawberry geranium scent for the red part. It's also got sandalwood. So Lush also makes a body spray called Vanilla, and that's the scent of this. It smells so strong and so yummy. It's like you could eat it. I can't wait to use that, and I'll demo this in its own video when I take a bath with it. And lastly is this solid bubble bar called Ladybird. In the UK, they call ladybugs ladybirds, and that's what this is. Yeah, I love the purple and red color scheme, and this is made with mint and geranium. It smells fresh and it smells so good. All of these are very strongly scented, so I can't wait to take a bath with this and record it for you. So those are the products in the Garden Buds gift set. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye-bye.